slides. Okay, so let's begin. So here I have already created some slides and I have already given the slide zoom for our 7 planets. Okay, so now only one planet is left. So for that, first of all, what we need to do is we'll insert the shape oval. Okay, here we are going to insert the shape oval. Fine. The shape outline is going to be no outline. All right. Now we are going to click the right mouse button and we will go to the format shape option. Here it is. And we'll go to the fill option, and here we are going to increase the transparency to around 84%. Okay, fine. Now again we are going to click on the same shape, right mouse button, and this time we are going to save it as a picture. Okay, just select the location and then just hit the save button. Right. Now we are going to delete this shape. Done. Now in the next step, we are going to move to the insert tab. We are going to insert the zoom. We'll go for slide zoom. Okay, so here our slide zoom. We are going to insert the slide number 9, that is for Neptune. So let's insert. Okay, so whenever we insert the slide zoom, so automatically the image of the slide appears. Okay, so now in the next step, we are going to click the right mouse button on the same image, and then we are going to click on this option that is known as change shape, change image. So we'll go there, change image, and we are going to select a file, that is our picture 1. Alright, okay. So now we are going to place it over Neptune and just adjust its size. Perfect. Okay. Now in the next step, as we can see, there is some border. Alright, I'll zoom in a little bit so that you can see. See, there is a border. So what are we going to do? We will go and select this shape. We'll go to the zoom tab. Okay, as soon as we select this shape, the zoom tab will appear over here. So we will select it, and here we are going to select no zoom border. Okay, no outline. That's it. Now let's have a preview for this Neptune. So here, as soon as I click, the slide appears, but when I click for the second time, it goes to the next slide. But what do we want? We want the same slide. Okay, so what are we going to do? We will click on this, go to the zoom tab, and in the zoom tab we are going to select return to zoom. So now let's have a preview. So I'm going to click here, and if I click again, then automatically it returns to slide number 1.